Hey everyone, welcome back to Organism of the Month at the Bean Museum. This month we're spotlighting the giant Pacific seahorse, Hippocampus ingens. Hippo means water, campos means sea monster, and ingens means huge. So basically their scientific name means huge water sea monster, which is pretty fitting if you're a plankton. Seahorses only eat small crustaceans and plankton that they can suck in through their very tiny mouths. These sea monsters don't even have teeth. There are currently 46 recognized species of seahorse in the genus Hippocampus. If Hippocampus sounds familiar, it's also because you have a hippocampus. The vaguely seahorse-shaped region of our brain that helps with memory is called the hippocampus. You could also say that we here at the Bean Museum have a hippo on campus, but that's something entirely different. Seahorses are some of the most iconic ocean creatures and all seahorses share several general characteristics, including a prehensile tail which they use to anchor to seagrass or other objects. They also have skin with no scales and the ability to move their eyes independently. Their tiny fins don't generate very much horsepower, so they're pretty slow swimmers. Less of a gallop and more of a scallop. Since they're slow, they generally rely more on their camouflage. They pretty much just hope that you won't see them. The other commonly cited seahorse fact is that it's the males, not the females, that get pregnant and give birth. For the giant Pacific seahorse, pregnancy lasts only 14 days, but labor can last for hours. The largest seahorse in the world is our aptly named giant Pacific seahorse, but giant is pretty relative. They're only about 5 to 7 inches long. They're found from Baja California all the way down to Chile, and they're the only seahorse found in the eastern Pacific Ocean. They come in a wide variety of colors and are found in subtidal habitats up to 200 feet below the surface, usually hanging onto something with their tail. This March only, we have some limited edition giant Pacific seahorse collectible cards. If you want one of these fantastic cards, just come in and tell a museum educator in a green shirt a seahorse fact. Our website also has a cool seahorse coloring page. If you print it out and bring in your colored version, we'll hang it up on our Organism of the Month art wall and enter you to win some free ice cream. Alright, that's it for this month. We'll have to see you next month when we talk about their next Organism of the Month, the blood pheasant.